Good morning, I'm Anton Voss. I run Voss Consulting Group for John. Before I get into what I do, let me ask you something, and you don't have to answer out loud. Think about your business for a second. Is there a list somewhere in your head, in a notebook, maybe in an email you keep meaning to get back to, of things you'd love to get done but just can't? The competitive analysis you never have time for. The follow up that slips through the cracks. The reports you know you should be running. The projects that keep getting pushed to next quarter because there aren't enough hours in the day. Every executive I've met has that list. And most of them have made peace with the idea that it's never going to get done. I'm here to tell you those days are over. John gave me your names this morning at 6 a.m. By this morning, I'd researched every one of your businesses. I audited your websites and found two of you have problems you don't know about yet. I analyzed your competitors. I identified specific growth opportunities. And I wrote a custom proposal for each of you. Not a template, not a slide deck. Real work built from scratch for your specific business while you were sleeping. After this presentation, each of you will receive a personalized email from me with a complete package, a website audit, a competitive analysis, and a proposal tailored to your specific business. That list you've been carrying around? This is what it looks like when someone actually starts clearing it.